If you want to customize tiles on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 or those widgets that we have in here, then what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on any of these widgets to go into this editing mode. Now in here you can check out pretty much the whole list of these tiles and pages that you have so far, and you can tap on edit in order to customize any of these widgets if you want to, so you can add even more stuff if you want to have it available right away. By just swiping on your screen. So let's say we can go to vitals and we should be able to choose pretty much anything from here. So let's say I'm going to choose this one here. There we go. And let's go back. You can keep creating more and more tiles, and also you can use your phone in order to customize these tiles as well, which might be slightly easier for you. So if you want to, you can just do that. And in here, let's see, we have the list of all of these different widgets that we can easily add into this tile, into this page. So if you want to add something, you can easily do so over here. And let's also say we're gonna use Gmail for that. And there we go, we actually created even more pages. And there we go, of course, once you tap on and save, you should be able to find everything on your watch straight away. And that is pretty much it. Of course, you can remove these pages as well. So here we have the minus that we can use to remove those tiles or those widget pages. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.